In PHP OOPS, a constant is used to define constant data in a class that remains constant throughout the execution of a script. Once declared, a constant cannot be changed. Class constants are case sensitive. Let's consider a class called displayError in which we define the constant error message using the keyword const. It's important to note that constant properties are defined using the const keyword and cannot be preceded by the $sign. To access the error message constant outside the class, we use the class name displayError followed by the double colon and the constant name error message. If we want to access the error message constant inside the class, we declare a method called showError and access the error message constant within the displayError class using the self keyword followed by the double colon and the constant name error message. Then, we create an object of the class displayError and access the error message constant by using the showError method. It's important to note that we cannot directly access a constant by creating an object of the class, as this will result in an error. Constants are always public. However, if you define a constant as private or protected, it can only be accessed within the class. We can also define array constants. You can see this example and access them using the class name displayError followed by the scope resolution operator and the array constant.